Alright, so welcome to another sound test, guys, and today we have a really exciting sound test. We have the Legacy 3, and I do like the Legacy 3 overall. It fits my preference for my daily listening. So I do like that it's near an IEM diffused field compensation tuning, so it's fairly neutral in that regard, and it competes well with the Starfields for me as well. You know, the Starfields is one of my channel favorites as well. But of course, yes, in this price range, actually they're not that far off compared to each other. They're closer than farther for me, so it will depend on your preference. Of course, which one is for you, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And let's start the sound test now.
You should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.